You're going to be extremely glad you saw this if a limiting reactants question comes up in your exam tomorrow. Watch my example.
Yes, sir. So very much like a reacting masses question, we've got to do just the same thing here, but then figure out which thing we don't quite have enough of. So start by identifying the things that the question is involving, the two elements that we got the most info about. In this case, aluminium and copper chloride. Then we'll do a G Mr. Mole, finding the number of moles of them which we have for each of them separately. Use the mass and the MR which they are giving you. And if you forget how to calculate with G Mr. Mole, use my little triangle right there. So from that, we can see that we have 4 moles of aluminium in this case. Now we'll repeat the same exact process for copper chloride, but notice it gave us mass in kilograms. We need it to be in grams. So convert that to grams, times it by 1,000. Continue, get our moles, and then we can see for this we've got 8.99, basically 9 moles. Next job is to figure out what's limiting, and to do that we refer to the ratio of moles in the equation. The 4 is worth 2 parts, therefore 3 parts would be worth 6. We have 8.996, which is more than enough. Therefore, the thing we don't have enough of is our aluminium. So the reaction will be kind of capped as soon as we've ran out of aluminium. That's the thing we'll run out of first. So we use the smallest ratio. We're going to stick to what the ratio would have been if that 4 for our aluminium is what we're using. The question now wants the mass of copper, so we'll just do our G Mr. Mole again, using the ratio of moles that we discovered earlier to figure out how many moles of that copper we should have, which is 6. So just simply multiply together your MR and your moles and you've got your mass. And with that, 6 marks as well. That's game changing. You can do that. Best of luck.